In today's video, i-walk through ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng malinis na portfolio website sa Wix from scratch. If you want a place online that shows your best work, mukhang professional at sobrang dali para sa mga tao makipag-contact sa'yo, ipapakita ko sa tutorial na to exactly kung paano gawin yon. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley and my goal is to help you get a real website live today nang hindi kayo nasa stuck sa design or tech. Let's get into it. So first off, let's start with the basics. Ano nga ba ang Wix? Ang Wix ay isang website builder na nagbibigay daan sa'yo na mag-design and mag-publish ng site using their drag and drop editor. You don't need to write code or install complicated software at all. Everything you need to design, host, and launch your site is inside the one single platform. Pwede ka magsimula sa free plan habang binibuild mo pa yung site mo na sobrang nice talaga. When you're ready for a custom domain and more features, you can always upgrade. So, yung path na yun, ginawa niyang sobrang dali mag-start and then you can level up later on. Bago tayo pumasok sa walkthrough, gusto ko lang munang i-touch yung ilang key features. Gumagamit ang Wix ng visual editor, kaya pwede mong i-click kahit anong part ng page at palitan yung text, images, colors, at layouts in real time. May kasama rin tong modern templates para sa portfolios, kaya pwede ka magsimula sa isang layout na mukhang pulido na agad and then customize it to match your style. Ang Brand X also has built-in tools for contact forms, galleries, and basic SEO settings. This is gonna save you time kasi hindi mo na kailangan pagdugtong-dugtongin pa yung mga sandamakmak na add-ons just to get the basics working. You can also switch to a mobile view with a single click so you can fix spacing for fonts, which is so important since most of the people are gonna visit your site sa mobile phone nila. Okay, now let's get into it. Kung wala ka pang Wix account, pwede ka na mag-start for free. May link kami sa description sa baba. Once na maklik mo yung link sa baba, ilagay mo lang yung email address mo, i-click yung start now, tapos papagawin ka ng password. Once you're in, dito na mapupunta lahat ng sites mo. You can make as many free sites as you would like. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click create new. May option ka na magsimula gamit ang chat o mag-setup without a chat. So gamitin natin yung setup with chat. Ang sasabihin lang natin doon, gumagawa ako ng portfolio site, isa akong wedding photographer at gusto kong i-show off yung mga photos ko. And I want people to be able to book a call with me and contact me directly. I really want it to be minimalist and modern, ever after photography. Perfect. Okay. Maybe we'll do a blog, client testimonials, booking page. So ngayon pwede mo rin gawin kung hindi mo alam kung anong isusulat mo. You can also help me answer and it'll give you some more specific ones. Okay. So pwede mo nang sagutan lahat ng tanong na yan. Tapos basically, click lang natin yung continue. Mas marami kang ilalagay na information doon, the more it'll be able to really customize. Nandyan lahat ng copy, pero kung gusto mong balikan and do it yourself anyways, that's totally fine. So ngayon, click natin yung design site, pipili tayo ng template. So, lagi kong sinasabi to, kapag naghahanap ka ng template, huwag kang tumingin sa colors at fonts because those are the things that are really changeable. What you want to look at is how the actual website looks. Alam mo, pwede mong palitan yung menus, pwede mong baguhin halos lahat talaga, pero habang mas gusto mo yung functionality ng website, mas kaunti na lang yung kailangan mong baguhin. So tulad na nakikita mo, may mga best matches na silang nire-recommend para sa atin. But if there's something that you like better, go ahead and use that. Pero actually, na-check ko tong isang to. Okay, may portfolio na siya, may client showcase, may about section, contact, at book online, which is lahat na ng kailangan natin. So we'll go ahead and edit this site. As you can see, this is the first page. We've got the welcome page right here. Medyo kakaiba siya. Not a lot of websites have that. Pero kailangan mo muna mag-click, papasok para makapunta sa portfolio na honestly sa tingin ko ang cool niya. Ngayon, dito sa side na to, makikita mo lahat ng pages ng site mo. So, may welcome page ka muna. Tapos, automatic siyang papasok sa portfolio mo. At dito naman sa loob, pwede tayong pumunta sa client showcase. Okay, pwede rin tayong pumunta sa about section at sa book online. So, talaga nakasetup na lahat para sa atin. So, again, ngayon, kompleto na yung bare bones ng website natin. Kailangan na natin i-edit yung copy na gusto natin, ilagay yung sarili nating mga photos, at syempre, pwede rin nating baguhin yung mga fonts. So, ngayon, dito tayo sa navigation menu. Pwede na tayong pumili ng site theme. Kung gusto mo, pwede mong i-customize yung colors, yung text, lahat ng ganung bagay. Pero meron din silang maraming themes na pwede mong pagpilian. So if you want more of, this green neutral with some pops of color, you can do that too. Kung mas bohemian naman ang peg mo, you want to make sure you're matching it to your brand vibe and energy. So that's how you can change the theme. Okay, at yun na yun, magbabago na siya sa buong website. Again, pwede rin tayong pumunta sa text theme. Dito mo i-customize lahat ng headings. Lahat ng fonts, maybe gusto natin ng ganitong style. So, na-change na natin yan. Again, ang next na gagawin natin is palitan lahat ng copy. So, pwede ka magsimula sa about section, right? Papasok ka lang dito tapos papalitan mo lahat ng writing kung ano man ang kailangan mo. May AI tools din dito mismo. So kung gusto mong i-rewrite yung text, ayusin yung grammar and spelling, paikliin, generate new, whatever it may be, pwede ka lang pumasok dito at kausapin yung AI nila. Tapos siya na yung mag-a-update ng lahat. So pwede mo rin baguhin yung tone of voice kung gusto mo, mas professional, mas casual, or mas enthusiastic kahit ano pa yan. If you wanted to add any section, what you can do is come in here and maybe you want to add another testimonial. They even have a specific section for that. So pwede mo siyang i-drag papasok dito mismo. Very, very easy lang. Tapos syempre, ang next na gagawin mo is update lahat ng images. So again, pwede kang magsimula sa kahit anong page na gusto mo. Halimbawa, punta tayo sa portfolio. Tapos, papasok tayo dito sa Manage Media. Okay, maybe we want to deselect all. Tapos, madali na nating maaayos at ma-organize yung gallery. We make it's super easy. And of course, you want to go ahead and update all of these that are not your work. Lastly, once na na-update mo na lahat ng copy, lahat ng images, nakapagdagdag ka ng kahit anong extra designs na gusto mo, at na-confirm mo na tama yung branding mo, so kompleto na yung titles mo, napili mo na yung fonts at yung colors, then, ang gusto mo nang gawin is siguraduhin na pumunta ka sa mobile view, and you want to make sure it looks good on there too, and move anything around that you need for the contact page. You can actually create a custom form and it can go whenever you want it to. So if you have more of an application, maybe you just want to add like first name, last name, phone name, and email. And then maybe you want to add like ano ba yung goals mo para sa wedding photography. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng questions like kailan ang wedding mo, di ba? Like you can customize it to be whatever it is that you want. Tapos, matatanggap mo lahat ng submissions na yan. You can even have it, mapupunta sila sa booking page kung saan pagkatapos nilang punan yung application, pipili sila ng time para magkaroon ng quick call with you. Kahit ano pa yan, but again, ang point talaga is ginagawa ng Wix na sobrang dali lang gawin ng lahat ng to. Now that you understand how to build a portfolio site from scratch, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. So first off, Wix is really easy to learn because you can see every change that you make, and that just make it less stressful for beginners and just helps you get to a live site faster. It includes hosting, templates, and core tools all in one place, which removes the need to connect many services just to launch a really simple site. Ang mobile editor also helps you quickly fix layout issues on phones na kung saan naman talaga makikita ang karamihan ng work mo. Anyway, sa kabilang banda naman, mas limited yung deep customization options niya kumpara sa isang full WordPress build, lalo na kung balak mo magdagdag ng advanced features or custom code later on. Also, yung free plan na nagpapakita ng Wix branding at gumagamit ng Wix subdomain, so you're gonna eventually need to upgrade to remove ads and use your own domain. Kung sa tingin mo, kakailanganin mo ng mas complex na site na may maraming custom features in the future, you should plan your path in advance for a clean portfolio that you can build yourself through. Wix is such an amazing starting point. Ngayon, syempre, meron silang free plan pero may Wix branding siya sa buong site. So, ito naman yung itsura kapag nag-upgrade ka. Okay, meron na siyang iba't ibang options dito. Ang isang bagay lang din na dapat tandaan ay may 14-day money-back guarantee sila. So, kung hindi ka super happy sa site mo o hindi mo talaga nagustuhan kung paano gumagana ang Wix, you can get a refund. Bawat plan may kasamang custom domain, walang Wix branding, at may 24/7 customer support. Plus, yung free domain, meaning you get it for free for a year. So we've got the light plan, which is $17 a month. You get 2 collaborators, 2 gigabytes ng storage, at kasama na yung light marketing suite. And the core is $29 a month. Mas marami kang collaborations, more storage, may basic marketing suite na, and you can also accept payments. So kung may plano kang tumanggap ng kahit anong payments direkta sa site mo, definitely kailangan mo ng at least yung core plan. Kasi doon mo makukuha yung basic e-commerce features. Tapos meron na tayong business plan na $39 kada buwan. Mas marami pang collaborators, mas malaking space, kasama na yung standard marketing suite and standard e-commerce. And lastly, meron tayong Business Elite na $159 kada buwan. You get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage, at kasama na yung advanced marketing suite. Alam mo, parang best of the best talaga yung pagdating sa marketing, e-commerce, pati na rin sa advanced developer platform. So, ang cool dito, kaya talaga niyang sumabay at mag-grow kasama mo. So, pwede kang magsimula sa light plan hanggang sa kailangan mo nang tumanggap ng payments, tapos saka ka na lang mag-move up. Halimbawa, nauubusan ka ng storage, dun ka na rin nag-upgrade, di ba? And again, pwede ka talaga magsimula sa free plan. So, kung gusto mo mag-start ng libre, again, nasa baba yung link para sa'yo. So I just wanted to touch on simple content tips for a strong portfolio. Ang portfolio, mas nag-work kapag malinaw yung point of view at madali kang makontak. Keep your homepage copy short para talagang mag-stand out at mag-shine yung work mo. Which is exactly yung ginagawa natin sa example na to. Pumili ka lang ng konting best projects mo instead i-upload lahat ng ginawa mo. You can even add a sentence or two under each project that explains the goal and the result in plain language. Gusto mo lang talagang iwasan yung mahabang wall of text sa about page mo rin. Keep your contact page simple so there's no friction to reach out. Nagsimula ka pa lang at may 2 o 3 projects ka pa lang, totally fine lang yon. Focus on quality and clarity. You can add pieces over time as you create them, pero mas mukhang professional talaga ang isang maliit pero focused na portfolio than a large but messy one. I know launching a portfolio can feel like a pretty big step, lalo na kung first website mo to. Super normal lang na gusto mong kumpleto agad lahat. To be perfect before you publish, pero ang totoo, mabilis ka talaga matututo. Once live na yung site, you'll see what people click, what they ask for, and what to improve next. Kung gusto mo nang subukan ng Wix ulit, meron pa rin kaming link sa description sa baba at pwede ka magsimula mag-build ng website mo absolutely for free. Gusto ko lang bagitin na yung mga to ay affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, gusto namin magpasalamat ng sobra in advance sa pagsuporta mo sa channel namin. Malaking tulong talaga to para makapagpatuloy kaming gumawa ng mga free tutorials tulad nito. Huwag kalimutan i-like yung video na to at mag-subscribe sa channel namin kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners build their first websites, matuto ng simple online skills at buhayin ng mga ideas nila kahit hindi sila tech expert. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa next video.